So it's finally here, everyone. The PII merch store has opened. So we decided to go with a provider called Redbubble. Everything is managed by them. So you buy off this website, and they manage everything from the shipping, the exchanges, if there's a problem, etc., etc. So this is the homepage, and we've actually created 5 designs to choose from, and you click on the design that you're interested in and it goes to the products available for each design. So I'm assuming the main logo is going to be the most popular design, but you got other funky ones as well, like the cash cow one with the got passive income. That was my idea. You have a freedom one. Erica designed this really nice one with the trees and replace paycheck, be financially free, build wealth, live well. That's a nice one as well. Another got passive income one, a freedom one. So you just click on any of the designs that you're interested in, and then you'll be directed to the pages, the page with the actual merch. So you got the hat, you got the shirts, and there's all kinds of options for different types of shirts and quality. So the markup is really, really, really low. We're only making $1 or $2 off each shirt or hat. I believe not even. That's not our intention. It's to make it as affordable as possible for you guys. But we definitely do appreciate the support. It is a pretty freaking nice logo, I have to admit that. The hat, for example, the one I'm wearing now is not this one. It's another cheaper option, which the quality is really not that good. That's why we upgraded it to this one here called the Dad Hat, which is 100% cotton. So you could click and go through the options, read the description, the material, etc. Even the stickers are pretty nice. I have to admit, the stickers are really cool. You could put them on anything. There's a few options. You scroll down, you'll see the array of products, which is all populated and managed by Redbubble. So very hands-off for us. Very, very low price. Another thing is that Redbubble does occasionally have big sales on their whole website. So just like now, you'll see like 25% off. I've seen 33% off. So make sure to check in once in a while on the website because things do go on sale. I'll make sure to let you guys know when I do see a big sale like there is now. But here's the other design, right? Other designs that you could choose from. You choose the color of your t-shirt. So you see the classic t-shirt, very inexpensive. I think these are USD prices, right? So you could click and choose your color, choose your size and everything. There's all kinds of nice colors and designs to choose from. Got passive income. I really like this one. This one's really funny. I think I'm gonna have to get a shirt like this as well. So there's regular shirts, there's active. The active t-shirt is more kind of like a workout t-shirt. The hats, and you scroll down, you'll see the different products. Here's the freedom one. I really like this one as well. Freedom, got passive income with the milk carton. So all kinds of cool options, everyone. So check it out. The PII store is live.